Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. Hey, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a fan fold and a puff fold together. Similar to the reverse puff and puff, I want to do a fan fold with the blue, put it on top, and then I'll just do a puff with the yellow on the bottom. So a fan fold, you're basically going to accordion your top color, which is blue for us, fold it down the middle, I'm going to elastic band this here at the bottom just so I don't have to hold on to it, so we can have our fan fold, and then at the bottom we'll do a reverse puff in the middle, or a puff in the middle, and then I'll elastic band that to hold it in place.